Daddy.
Oh. We don't want to press it. There.
Where's my phone?
How come it's not going now? There you go. You want to take it out?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see. Okay. Say thank you, Nana.
Anana.
You okay?
Yeah.
Did you have a good Christmas?
Yeah.
Did you get lots of good stuff? Huh? There's one more thing, I think. Daddy went to go get it. Let me see. Take your hair out of your eyes. Wait. Daddy's going to get you something.
Juice.
You want some juice?
Yeah.
Just a minute, Daddy's getting you something. Look, go see what Daddy's got. Go see what Daddy's got for you.
Lizzie! Something didn't fit and Sarah left it in the garage. What is that?
This?
What? Oh my goodness!
What is that, baby? Get the sock out of here.
Whoa!
What you got, Lizzie?
Daddy.
You like that?
How awesome is that, Lizzie?
There's stuff in here, Dad.
You can get away from the sock.
Nay, she put it under there.
You can run the dog over. Move, Easton.
Poppy. Mush.
That thing's hefty. She can catch it.
Easton's like, oh man, thanks a lot. Is that awesome? Yeah, you like that? She's doing a burnout.
Check out my new shopping cart. It's got ramming power.
Come here, Lizzie. It's from Nana. Nana got that for you. Say thank you, Nana. Are we doing a wheelie? Thing's hefty, huh, Liz?
What do you think? Woo! Looking good right here.
Look at her go doing a burnout.
Lizzie's! Come here. Let's put your presents in it. And you can wheel them away. Look. Come on, let's put them in there. All your gifts. Here, put that in there. Alright. They don't all fit.
Yeah.
You got too much stuff, Liz. Okay. Go wheel them to your room. You want to put these on? Sit down. Sit down. Come here.
She don't like. She's afraid of those, right?
Look, it's just a shoe. Nah. Made in Kenya.
Hey, what you got there?
Daddy.
You got this?
Yeah.
Yeah? Do you want to look at any other toys or just this?
This.
Just this?
Yeah.
I knew that. That's why you got it last.
Yeah.
Yeah. What are you doing? Did you have a good Christmas?
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.
No ramming the door, Lizzie. She's got a full load too.
The best part about this is the ramming of pillows.
Hey, Lizzie. Bye. No, can I get in?